and I will try to make it happen. I play, or if I don't play, I don't know. This is up to the management. They're the best people to answer that question. I'm working hard. I'm training hard. I had a great session today. I'm focusing on the match in Australia. If I get a chance, I will serve my country as best of my abilities. If I don't play, I will make sure that my efforts, my guidance, my help towards the team, and I make sure that every girl, every guy gets my help, if nothing less than the water on the field.
जी शोएब मेरे दो क्वेश्चन हैं आपसे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो वसीम वकार को आपने रिप्लेस किया और एक फास्टेस्ट बॉलर पाकिस्तान के पास ये टाइटल रहा.
Let me correct you, they can never be replaced by me.
नहीं फिर भी देखें मतलब उन वो चले गए आप आगे. अब आने वाले वक्त में क्या शोएब अख्तर के बराबरी का कोई बॉलर, उतनी स्पीड का कोई बॉलर आने वाले मतलब आप टैलेंट में देखते हैं? नंबर एक. नंबर दो क्वेश्चन, इस टाइम ये डिसीजन लेना क्या आप समझते हैं सही है कि आपके फिटनेस के ऊपर पहले क्वेश्चन मार्क हर मीडिया जो है वो पाकिस्तानी हो इंटरनेशनल हो वो कर रहे हैं, फिर भी मतलब किसी को ये पता नहीं कि किस मैच में शोएब अख्तर ने खेलना है. तो इस वक्त आपके ये रिटायरमेंट का फैसला क्या पाकिस्तान के आने वाले जो एक बड़ा क्रिटिकल राउंड होगा उसमें इफेक्ट नहीं करेगा?
नहीं, ऑब्वियसली मैंने जैसे पहले कहा है आपको, आई मेड दैट डिसीजन अबाउट अ ईयर अगो and have consulted with the manager and my team management obviously about 6 months back, 7 months back. So this decision been made by long ago. But you always knew me not the fittest man, not the fittest bowler. I always played in the pain. I'm always been a half unfit. I've never been the fittest. I've never been what you call the guy who can play 5 one-days on the trot, and so fitness issue always has been there, still there. So, but I am feeling very good, and I'm very confident. I'm bowling 10 overs. If you look at last 1 year, what I played almost every one-day. I bowled 10 overs in every game, and I bowled in almost all the situations. In Sri Lanka, I bowled 10 overs. I mean, if you have the doubts on my fitness, that you can then. I bowled almost every game. So, you see, my efforts are there for the team in the World Cup. As I said it, I'm going to double my effort onwards now. And whatever I can do, whatever I could do for my Pakistan. So, I will go out there. I'll do it at the best of my ability. If not off the field, you'll find me present.
Shoaib, your career...
That I'm going to tell you in the next press conference. What I'm going to do next.
Your career had ups and downs, controversies, success, popularity, everything. How do you want to remember, either as a fast bowler who did a lot of good work for his country, or being someone very controversial?
I definitely want to be remembered as the guy who was very patriotic towards his country and always been very honest. And always loved his country and loves to be out there, either thick and thin, pain, no pain. I never worried about, I never ever gotten worried about myself that I'm going to get injured. In a numerous time, you guys been there all my career. I had so many injuries, but I still carried on playing for Pakistan. I never said no. I would never said no to Pakistan. And because Pakistan is my greatest passion. And I love this country with the greatest passion. And whenever was required me to go out there and to play, and always been there, I always picked up the right path and to walk on the right path. And I've chosen the right path always. I would promise myself, I promised myself and to my family and to my country that I would never pick the wrong path and to walk on it. And I always parted away from the controversies such as match fixing.
Right, we've got 6 more questions now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's your 6 questions, okay? Because we've been going round in circles a little bit here now. So, starting there, please.
Shoaib, no doubt you have a very successful career. There is ups and downs, everything, and you answered. In the remaining matches of the World Cup, against which team you want to play the last match, being your career and match? And also, if there is most of the fields available for you in the future to work, like the commentary, the coaching, if there is an offer from the showbiz, then what would be your answer?
Can you make it smaller? The first question, can you part it into two, guys, please? Remaining matches of the World Cup, I don't know. I'm available for every match, and I'm working really hard. I'm bowling as quick as you know, and my pace is still there. I'm not slowing down. So is my run-up is cut. I cut it in half, so my pace is still right up there. So playing against whom, I don't know. This is up to the management. I don't know. I am there for my country. I'm there. My services are there for my country whenever they need me. What I'm going to do next, that I told you that I'm going to tell you in the next press conference very soon. Getting back into commentating or showbiz, anything. But as I said I'm going to spend time with my family. So I'm going to be with my family. And they haven't seen the much of me for last 18 years. So my mom's really misses me. So she wants me back home. So I'll be back home in Islamabad. So I'll spend time with my family, with quality time with my family, and my sisters and my brothers.
Nidhi?
Shoaib, from the first time that you played for Pakistan cricket to now when you're retiring, where do you think you're leaving Pakistan cricket, and also the perception of Pakistan cricket? Does that hurt you a little in the last couple of months? A lot has been said. Do you think that is something that will always be with you as well?
Perception of Pakistan is getting better. The way we're playing cricket nowadays, the way we gathered up after the episode in England, we worked really hard. We played almost every game. I played almost every game. Never missed a game. As a senior player, as a Pakistani, it was our responsibility to lift that game back and to come here to only one focus, to win the World Cup. It was nothing less than that. And we were very focused, we are very focused, and the team is very focused. And obviously, if we win this tournament, we'll get the cricket back in Pakistan very soon. We'll get the craze back in Pakistan very soon. So we are playing for the people of Pakistan and for ourselves. And we make sure this time we're not going to go down without a fight this time. So we make sure this time we're going to make it happen for the million people around the world, especially to my countrymen. So this is a chance we have to turn it all around.
Harith?
Shoaib, throughout your career, several times there was writing like Shoaib is finished, but you came back strongly every time. But now you are announcing your retirement yourself, and you are saying that at your wish. So is that a bit pleasure at the end?
Is there a what?
A pleasure or a bit of happiness?
Well, as I said it, when I was in the surgery bed, that I was thinking that this is not how I'm going to go. And I'm obviously